Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of May. I did miss last month's Boxycharm video because I just didn't get my Boxycharm box. But I do have it this month and I'm really excited to share what I have in this month's box. Before we get started, I did want to talk to you guys a little bit more about Boxycharm in case you guys don't know what Boxycharm is. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box where you pay $20 every single month and you get a, is it 21? No, it's 20, right? You get things like skincare, makeup, nails, hair. Did I say hair already? It's a good way to build up a makeup collection and just get to know other brands outside of your comfort zone. For the month of May, my box's value is $110.99. I have $110.99 worth of products inside of this $20 box. So if you are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I'm gonna go ahead and put the direct link down below. If you do decide to sign up to Boxycharm using the link that I have down below, I do make commission based off of you subscribing to Boxycharm, and that just supports my channel. So I want to take the time to thank you so much for being here and supporting me in what I do. With that being said, I wanted to make this video a little bit different and just kind of get down to the point and share with you guys what is in my box, the benefits of each product, and my thoughts towards the end. I also show you guys how I would personally use each and every single one of the products in this month's box. So if you are interested in seeing my try on and opinions, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
My hair is still wet. I went to the gym earlier and I cooked dinner, I put the kids to bed, I took a shower, and now I'm here. I still haven't opened this package here as of yet. It was waiting for me at my door earlier today and I just decided that I wanted to open it with you guys. I don't have any idea what to expect from this box, aside from maybe the Glam Glow mask, and I'm thinking that that's why it's shaped differently this month. It's not your average box that you usually receive. I'm used to receiving a box that's more of a squared shaped and also it has like a gloss finish. So this is interesting. I wonder if anything else has changed inside. The pamphlet that came in the box says Make Waves, so this is this month's theme. Okay, so just by looking in the box, I don't have the Glam Glow. I do have a Glam Glow thing here. Oh no, it's not Glam Glow. I don't have the mask! I was looking forward to that too. Since this is the first thing that I took out, this is the first thing that we're gonna be talking about, and let me read up on it. Actually, let me take it out of the box first. Okay, so on here it says, submerge your skin with our new oil-free, refreshing light water cream infused with skin-nourishing coconut water. First Aid Beauty's Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream hydrocharges your skin with a burst of electrolyte-rich moisture for softer, smoother, healthier-looking skin. This here retails for $34. Can I just put this on? Do we have any face masks in here? We don't have any face masks, so I'm really happy that this is the first item that I reached for because my skin is feeling really dry since I just got out of the shower. I haven't applied any moisturizers because I was thinking that I was going to be applying a face mask. So I'm just taking whatever's like on the other end of this little thing before I throw it away. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. I thought it would be smelling like coconut, to be honest. It smells nothing like coconut. Oh, but this feels nice. How do I describe this? Oh my god. I just instantly feel the moisture like going in my skin. Oh, it just feels so nice. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I literally want to put this all over my body. So I'm just gonna put it away. And I think it's in a really cute container. I'm going to actually keep it here on my vanity. The next item that I see in my box is this Oriza Opaline Top Gloss. The Opaline Top Gloss from Oriza Beauty is a weightless and waterproof lip topper, adding an extra dimension and shimmer to your lips. Layer over your favorite lip color for an impactful lip look, or wear alone as a subtle gloss. This retails for $14.99. Okay, so I'm seeing some really cool. Honestly, I don't ever use these. I don't know why. I don't feel like they do anything, to be honest. But These are really pretty and I'm definitely going to try to use them. These here are the Pure Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Curlers. You're about to take your lashes to new lengths, literally. Prep your lashes for a coat of your favorite mascara with your new Pure Eyelash Curler. Instantly perk up each individual lash for a look you will love. These retail for $18. This is the next item. This is the Eye Luster Cream Shadow. It comes in this little box right here, and this is what the actual shadow looks like. Your new Ciati London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmery eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster. Blend out for a sheer sparkle or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And this itself retails for $22. So how many items do we have? Okay, that was 4. And then the last item that I see here, it was like tucked under everything, so that's why it's the last one that I seen. This here is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. And on here it says, get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide on effortlessly on your cheeks with buttery, smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. This palette retails for $22. Alright guys, so those are the items that are in this month's box. Now I'm going to be putting them to use, but before I do so, I'm going to be applying my face makeup off camera, and then I'll be back to use all of these items here. What is this called? Eye Luster Cream Shadow. So now I'm going to be using the cream shadow that was in this month's Boxycharm. I'm over here nervous. Okay, that looks really pretty. Oh my god, that looks really pretty. Hold on, I gotta let it dry before I start to pack on any more of that glitter, because I can already see the purple that I had underneath coming through. So, be right back. Okay, so while this was drying down, I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. Now I'm gonna be applying the second layer to the eye. If you guys want to make your way over to my Facebook page, I do have how I completed this eye look. I went live on my Facebook page. All of my social media links are down in the description box. Okay, that definitely looks a lot brighter and nicer. That is really, that is out there. It's the only eye product that I have in the box, so I'm going to be completing the rest of the eye look, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the third item that I have in this box for this month are, well, I already told you guys. But anyway, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes, which I never do, and I also mentioned that. Oh my god. Don't pinch yourself, you stupid bitch. Ah! Is it working yet? Nope. Hold on, I'm doing it wrong. All of these, like, tools that are used to curl your eyelashes, they don't work. But these are the prettiest I've ever tried. A la madre. I'm gonna apply some mascara and some fake lashes to cover up what I don't have. I'm going to pop on some lashes and then share the last 2 items. So now I'm going to be taking the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Palette, and let's see. I think I'm going to be going with this middle shade called Isla. And I'm going to be taking this Moda Pro brush because the bristles are very like tapered, and I think that it would work really good with something that's very pigmented. So I'm just lightly tapping on there. You can definitely tell, right? I can tell. Currently I'm wearing the Pop Cosmetics Sweet Harmony liquid lipstick, and I'm going to be using this lip topper over it. This one is the one that we received in Boxycharm, and I have the color Champagne Cocktail. Just for the purpose of this video, I wanted to keep it straight to the point with what I have inside of the box and how the products work. And also I'm here to share my opinions. I'm going to start off with the first product that I did use, and this is the coconut water cream. I'll start off by saying that the packaging is very cute. I love how moisturizing it makes my skin feel. It feels very, very hydrated. But I will say that after wearing it for a little while, my skin did start to feel dry again. I don't think that this is like an intense moisture if you have really dry skin, but I would say that this is a really nice moisturizer before you apply your makeup. Okay, so the next item that I did use is this shimmer cream, or shimmer eyeshadow cream. I received the color Cupid. I think it's called Cupid. It doesn't have a name on the actual packaging, but I read it on the box. It is the color Cupid. This color, as you guys can see, it appears more of a gold. In the container, it looks more purple. And here is a little swatch of what it looks like. If you turn it this way, it does look purple, and if you turn it up, it looks gold. It's really pigmented, it's really nice. What I did notice with this cream eyeshadow is that when I placed an eyeshadow over it, it did start to kind of crumble in that area. So you might want to just wear this alone instead of trying to apply another shimmer on top of it. The third item that I received in this month's box is this Pure Cosmetics eyelash curler. And as you guys seen, I just don't know how to use these, so it's not that it didn't work. I just personally feel like they don't work for me and my eyelashes. No matter how much I try to curl my eyelashes, they always like go straight. And if they curl, they only last for like 0.5 seconds. So my opinion in regards to this is very personalized because I just don't ever use these. Moving on to the fourth item that I received in this month's box is the Alamar Cosmetics blush palette. I can definitely see how pigmented it is on my cheeks, even though you guys may not really see it as much as I do because I did apply like a contour shade and brought it down this way. I'm going to continue to play with this, and you guys should follow me on my Instagram so you guys can see this put to use. The last item in my package is this Ariza Beauty. This is a lip topper, and I personally really liked it. You can see that it definitely gave like a shine to my lips. It's not a lip gloss or anything, which I thought it kind of was, but it isn't. It just adds shine to your lips. I think it's really pretty. I'm just not sure what's drying my lips right now, if it's the lip topper or the lipstick or just both combined. I'll keep sharing my thoughts on my Instagram stories. The purpose of this video was just to share what I received in my box and also how I would personally use each and every single one of the products from this month's box. So I really hope that you guys did find it helpful, and if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to comment them down below. I also have my latest videos, which are going to be listed right over here. Be sure to check those out, and also I'm going to put the little circle. If you click on the little circle with my picture in it, subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.